Welcome to Vinod SQL Queries channel. So today I am going to explain about a good question. The question is which of these following will give better performance, either a temporary table or a table variable. So when the interviewer will ask this particular question, so usually people will say the answers like always table variable is a faster than temporary table, and some people will say temporary table is always faster than a table variable. But we should not say these answer. Why? Because so depends on the situation, temporary table will be fast, and few of the situations table variable will be fast. Okay, so let me explain in a brief way. So whenever we are dumping the data from a physical table to temporary table, it will be saved in your tempdb. And in the same way, so a table variable will be saved in your RAM memory. So usually people will think that all of the operations will perform on your RAM, so that compared to temporary table, table variable is the fast. But their assumption is wrong. So why? Because there are two situations. So the situation is like whenever I am having a less data, then we should go for a table variable, and whenever we are having a large data, then we should go for a temporary table. Okay, so let's assume for a large data I am going to create a table variable. What will happen in that scenario? Okay, so I'm assuming my RAM memory size is 4 GB. So it has been allocated 50 MB for my table variable. Okay. And I'm going to dump 100 MB into my table variable, which is more than 50 MB. Now what will happen means your table variable will dump 50 MB into RAM memory, again remaining 50 MB into tempdb. Okay, so because there is no space, right? So it has been allocated in a two different destinations. So when I am querying that particular table variable, it has to retrieve the data from two destinations. One is from RAM and one is from tempdb. Definitely there will be a performance issue. So whenever there is a large data, okay, so because of this particular reason, so it's better to dump it into a temporary table so that it will be saved into your tempdb, so that we can able to retrieve the data from one destination instead of two. Okay, so in this scenario, wherever the less data we have, then it's better to go for a table variable, and whenever we have a large data, it's better to go for a temporary table. So in this way we need to give a explanation to the interview. So thank you so much.